Hi everyone, here is the spelling and the vocab and the target skill and target strategy for our reading and spelling this week. Our story is called Destiny's Gift, and we will use that story to talk about character traits and character motivations. And you will see that listed underneath where it says reading target skill, understanding characters. Character traits are qualities that people have, such as kindness or patience. Motivations are the reasons that characters do what they do. A reason for their actions, reason for their thoughts. Our spelling this week is long A and long E. The two ways in our spelling this week that you will see the long A sound, remember the long A is A, it just says its name, the vowel says its name, and long E is E. And the two ways that long A is being spelled here is A-Y and A-I. So if it has an A-I this week, that's a long A sound. If it has an A-Y, that's also a long A sound. For long E, remember long E is just E, it just says its name. We have E-A and E-E. So those are the two patterns that we have this week for long E, and then the two patterns that we have for long A. The words are lay, real, trail, sweet, today, dream, seem, tea, treat, afraid, leave, bait, screen, speed, paint, please, yesterday, and explain. So the last four words of every week, the very, very last two, in this case it's yesterday and explain, those two are always challenge words. And then the two words before it, in this case paint and please, those two are review words. And it was brought to my attention last week that the two review and the two challenge words are not included in the Spelling City lists, but I have changed that for this week, and I will change it for the rest of the weeks that we have in first quarter. So on Spelling City, on your activities this week, and on your spelling test this week, you will see paint, please, yesterday, and explain. For our vocab words this week that go right along with our story, we have the word block, which means the section of a street between two other streets, so the block's in like a town. Spreading, which is stretching something out. Raise, in this case, means to collect, like you're raising money for something, you're collecting money for a cause. Figure means to work out by thinking. Contacted means got in touch with someone, like I'm calling someone on the phone, I'm contacting them. A customer is a person who buys something from a store. Afford means to be able to pay for something. And earn means to get something by working. So if you earn an allowance, you are getting money for doing chores around the house. Our target strategies for this week are analyze and evaluate. To analyze means to think about something very carefully, and evaluate means to decide what the characters are like or what their motives are. So motives goes right with motivation. So what their motivations are. That's what motives means. So your reason for doing something. So that is our spelling, vocab, and skills and strategies for reading and spelling this week. Have a great week.